I see.
Okay.
Oh, it has my Wi-Fi, of course. I would never have done that as a student. I so would have. Wait, I don't know if I would have. Thank you so much, Stevie, for the tip. I must say, Stevie, you really don't have to tip. Now, I want to show you something all very, very wonderful, as if you haven't seen anything wonderful enough. Gregory, amazing. Can I meet you in person, Gregory? I feel like we're destined to meet. We have to at this point. Thank you very much, everybody who's just coming. Can you hear that? He's the drum, he's the word either side. So I just wanted to show you the lanterns overlooking the city. My boyfriend's going to be like, why are you doing that? And when you see, you'll see why. Look at this. This is overlooking the entirety of Osaka. I'm going to zoom in, but do you take a picture? Hey. Shrine. 2,600-year-old normal shrine on my Monday. Would you guys like to stay with me? The tour officially ends in 2 minutes, but I'm happy to have you stay with me if you want to see the different food stalls. You'll stay. Matt, I'll do it for you alone. But thank you very much, Angela. You can stay too. Okay, Carlos is here too. Which maybe? This way? Okay, guys, we're going to brave it. It's going to be a different atmosphere, but you might see the train in the background. Oh, so can we go round and up? Everybody. We're about to have a very good time. 1 second. Janie, you watched Big Hero 6. Isn't it wonderful? Wait, minasan. Everybody, 1 moment. So when is the main parade coming back through?
7 p.m.
Now? 7 p.m.
30 minutes after.
In 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to show everybody this. And if they say they want to stay on the same live stream, they can. Yeah, this one. Can we get beer?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. Everyone, I will stay because we can get beer. If you'd like to buy beer from me and from y'all, you're welcome. It's too... Okay, so... Everybody that's here so far, I think... Monkey magic! Okay, you guys are in a very unique situation. Thank you so much, Fiona. I didn't know you were here. Thank you so much. Everybody thinks I'm a YouTuber. I'm lowering my mask, it's too hot. It's really surprisingly hot tonight. Okay, so everybody that's here already, if you're prepared to stay longer, I'm prepared to double this tour. Normally I would make a separate listing for the surprise tour. However, you're already here, and if you'd like to stay, I'm happy to have you. I will show you some of the things that are happening in some of these food markets if I ask them and they're okay with it, and if it's not so busy. It smells incredible. You see the Torii Gate up ahead, and a train is about to pass through in the distance. Thank you so much, Matthew. For no, I've got a boyfriend to get the beers, so we can still live stream like nobody's business. You want yakisoba? He's finally full. My Omen, love the fruity writing on the banner. Omen, what about this goldfish? Kinkyo. Kinkyo. The reason I want you to stay with me for a bit longer.
Yeah, so good.
Sweet corn. We might need a sweet corn break. So sleepy. Someone's sleepy. It's really hard to pass people. It's so hard. Wow. I did it. Maybe I need just one. Can you hold this? I'll buy one.
Okay.
Look at that. You can see the steam coming out of the food. Yeah, let's go down to the secret area over here. And guys, we're going to show you something wonderful. 1 second, the train is coming. The train is coming. Woo-hoo. Can you see it? We're going to let you see the shrines, the portable shrines at night time. So if you want to hang on this tour, I'm afraid the tour just doubled. So if you'd like to stay for longer, you're more than welcome. See you soon. Right, so. Oh.ビール。あ、多分ハイボール。ハイボール。方がいいですよ。Ah, she might have become a guide. I know her very well. Two, one. Personally, would have liked that warning because I'm not keen. I'm not keen. Are you ordering? Oh, さすが大阪人ですね。He's ordering the okonomiyaki. Yes, he is. So these are not vegetarian pancakes. However, you can make them in a vegetarian way. Actually, yeah, you can really make them vegetarian. Sorry. Way that looks like it's dressed like a lemon mooncake, half lemon mooncake. They're not vegetarian. You can easily make them vegetarian. However, this is a Japanese party game. Can you see? It's made with senbei. Senbei is Japanese rice cracker, but this particular one is a series of pink, green, and white senbei that's mixed with condensed milk, which is smushed together into a layer, which everybody really, really loves.
So good.
It's a really mukashi kodomo nitteru no aji.
Yes.
Maybe this is good. They'll come through here. 1 second while I check your messages. CC, am I right? Right? He eats so fast. He's like a snake that is never eaten. He'd let me film myself filming Japanese food. Yes, Laurie, this is where it was earlier today. This is amazing, everybody. Angela, the big shrines are over a ton. Are you ready? Up a hill. Do you see them going sideways? They're going up hills. They're going up one hill to up another hill. Wow, thank you so much. Wow, I'm gonna be quiet.
Most of it is my best friend.
Sorry, we can see Neil's best friend. Yeah.
There.
Oh, Soka, Rockin's best friend.
Wow.
Everyone carrying these has a massive lump on their necks. Everyone that's on top is on top to prevent the power cables from getting stuck on their floats.